Okay, DJI Smart Controller, quick unboxing because I'm not going to do detail. We have tons of video on YouTube about unboxing this guy, so let's do a quick one. It's very difficult to get it. I don't know if you notice, it's often out of stock and you have to set up a reminder by email and everything. So when I finally decide to send you one, here it is. This is how it arrived. So first of all, this total plastic cover. It's a bit different because usually DJI products don't come in plastic cover, they have just a seal, a security seal. So let's see about that one. There is no apparent security seal in the box, so just the plastic, and it slides out like that. All right. The box inside have nothing else, no security seal either. It just opens so, and here it is, the DJI Smart Controller. Let's open it differently. Here we go. So everything seems to be like I've seen on other unboxing video. You have the controller itself here and the accessory here. Let's check quickly the controller, see if everything is good. All right, this is how it comes with this packaging around it, letting you know about the button. And of course, all the little controller here are in the back under the antenna. And here there is a protection for the joystick, the directional joystick. Here, they put this little foam ring over there to protect it. All right. Here is the user manual that nobody reads. And probably some other warranty information. And on the accessories, let's see quickly what we got. We got the USB-C to USB cable, and along with it you have some extra control joystick for the smart controller. It's always good to have some extra. Never know when you lose them, especially when you keep screwing them and then unscrewing them, etc. And let's see on the other side of this box. Pull tab that hide the charging block. There we go. And that's it for the accessories. Charging block, cable, extra joystick, and that's all for the DJI controller unboxing. So if you remove the protection plastic here, actually let's see if I can slide it out. No, I cannot. It's very stuck on here. So if you remove this protection plastic, there you go. The joystick should be located under the antenna. So the one they give you are really extra ones. And of course, as soon as I remove the plastic, the screen starts to get some fingerprints. The screen looks like it could be fragile, so I advise you to get one of those screen protectors that you can find easily on eBay or Amazon to protect your screen from scratches, fingerprint, etc.